Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a calcium-rich chocolate oats breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. It's easy to make on those busy mornings, does not contain any added sugar, banana or dairy milk. This vegan and dairy-free chocolate oats smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make oats chocolate smoothie, into a bowl I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as it has more fiber. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm soaking the oats for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak oats is to help release the phytic acid content in oats. Grains like oats contains phytates, which are nutrient inhibitors, which means they prevent nutrient absorption. So it's always ideal to either soak them or roast them before using. For those who have noticed having digestive issues like bloating or gas or indigestion when consuming oats, you may need to soak them a bit longer, maybe about 1 to 2 hours, or even overnight soaking will be ideal. Okay, now it's about 15 minutes and the oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to add it onto a strainer and rinse it under running water. Okay, I have rinsed it under running water and now I'm going to add this into my blender jar. I've added the soaked oats into the blender. I'm using 3 ripe chikoo, also known as sapota. So what I'm doing is I'm slicing the chikoo into half. And with a spoon, I'm removing the seeds. And then I'm scooping out the flesh. So this is how I remove the flesh. And with a spoon, you can just scoop out if there are any remaining flesh on the skin. Chikoo is a good source of vitamin A, B and C. It's rich in antioxidants, electrolytes, it has anti-inflammatory properties, and the high fiber helps in good digestion and also helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. For some healthy fats and to make the smoothie calcium rich, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of homemade sesame seeds milk. I have already shared how to make sesame seed milk at home. It's easy to make at home and it's also a good source of calcium and healthy fats. Now instead of sesame seeds milk, you can use any plant-based milk of your choice like almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, peanut milk, any plant-based milk of your choice. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra omega-3s, fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. You can also use cocoa powder instead of raw cacao powder. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. I like to use medjool dates as they are soft and it's easy to blend. If your dates are not soft, you may need to soak them before using. Now you can increase or decrease dates as per your sweetness. Since the ripe chikoos are sweet enough, I'm using only 1 dates. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Also, there is no need to grind the flax seeds separately and add it into the blender. The flax seeds will grind easily along with the rest of the ingredients. Pour the thick and creamy oats chocolate smoothie into a serving glass. For an added chocolate flavor and a subtle crunch, I'm sprinkling in some raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional. And my super healthy dairy-free oats smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.